everyone, Kristina Reese here with Creating with Kristina. I am here to share with you my 2 new card classes by mail for the month of June. The first class features the most adorable little turtle friends, and the punch that goes with it. The second class uses Sweet Strawberry Bundle. Now both classes have 4 card designs with enough material to make 2 of each card. My classes are by mail, which means they're shipped to you and you can do them whenever it's convenient for you. They come complete with step-by-step instructions and videos to watch so that you could stamp along with me if you wanted to. All right, everything is ready to go. All you have to do is stamp, punch, and assemble. The ink and adhesive is not included, so you would need your own ink and your own adhesive. Now, both classes come with 3 price options. Before I get into that, let me describe a little bit more about what you're going to get in each kit. I'm going to start with the turtle, the turtle friends. Okay, so first let's look at these cards. So we have this, and there are the 4 cards, and you're going to get enough material to make 2 of each. Now, you're also going to get a half a pack of the Sweet Symmetry designer paper. And I don't know if you can really see how beautiful this paper is, but the colors are just to die for. Aren't those just so pretty? So you get half a pack of this paper. You also get last year's in color square gems here. These have the Just Jade and the Bumblebee that are colors that coordinate with this paper. And you also get a bolt of the Bumblebee gingham ribbon, okay? So all of this, and of course, the stamp set and the punch. And let me pull up the stamp set so you can see the sentiments and all the cute images. Just too precious. All right, so this is the Turtle Friends kit. And let me show with you the, there we go, the different options. So the first option, of course, is everything. It includes the stamp set, the punch, the half a pack of the designer paper, the square in colors, gems, the Bumblebee gingham ribbon, the cardstock, the envelopes, the instructions, and also a little thank you gift from me. That is $65. Option 2 does not include the stamp set or the punch. So option 2 does not include that. And but it does include the half a pack of the paper, the gems, the ribbon, the cardstock envelopes, instructions, and a thank you gift from me. That's option 2. And then option 3 is just the tutorial. So nothing would be shipped to you. You would just get the written instructions and the videos sent to you through email. Okay, so that is Turtle Friends. Now, let's talk about Sweet Strawberry. All right, Sweet Strawberry. Let me get those cards out for you. The cards have the beautiful, bright designer paper. So here are the 4 cards that you would make, and of course you'd get enough material to make 2 of each. The Brights color paper has 10 colors, and you get 4 of each. So that is a little bit more than half a pack of the Sweet Symmetry. So this kit is a little bit more expensive. It's not terribly much, but it's just because you're getting an entire pack of the Brights paper instead of just half a pack. You're also going to get these beautiful Artistry Blooms adhesive backed sequins. They are so pretty, and they go great with the paper, okay? And then of course you get ribbon, and the ribbon you're getting is the Pool Party sheer ribbon. I don't know if you can see how pretty that is, but it goes great with this color combination also. So this is the Sweet Strawberry. Now let me show you the stamp set with the sentiments. There they are, and all these really pretty images here, and of course the punch. So this is the Sweet Strawberry one, and I want to talk about the options with this one. Now, you get, for option 1, you get the stamp set and the punch, you get the full pack of Brights, you get the Artistry Bloom sequins, the Pool Party ribbon, you get the cardstock and envelopes to make 2 of each of the 4 card designs, and you also get a thank you card for me, or thank you gift for me. Now, the option 1 is $72.25, and like I said, it's a little bit more than the turtles because it includes an entire pack of paper. The option 2 is $34. $34 does not include the stamp set or the punch. And then option 3 is just the tutorial, just the written instructions and videos. So those are the 2 kits that I am featuring. And I want to tell you one more thing, and that is I have a special offer for you if you purchase both kits. And that is the Prince and Princess stamp set. So let me pull this over. So if you purchase both kits, the Turtle Friends and the Sweet Strawberry, you order both option 1s, I am going to give you this Prince and Princess stamp set for free. And I want you to look at the sentiments on there, okay? And the beautiful images, the beautiful swan and the cute little frog and the roses. So this stamp set is free if you purchase both options. Now, what does that mean? That means option number 1 for Turtle Friends is $65 and option number 1 for Sweet Strawberry is $72.25. This stamp set cannot be purchased in the catalog. The only way to get this stamp set is either through buying both of my card classes, or you could purchase $150 worth of your own product, whatever you want out of the catalog, and that would qualify you to be a host, and you would get host Stampin' Rewards, and you could use those Stampin' Rewards to get the Prince and Princess stamp set. This is an exclusive stamp set just for hosts through Stampin' Up, and so that's why it is a very special exclusive stamp set. Anyways, that is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you all are having a great day and that these card kits are something you might be interested in. Please either message me, you can email me, you can instant message me, you can text me, call me, however you want to get in touch with me if you're interested in these classes, or just go to my blog, creatingwithkristina.com, and up in the menu bar, it says classes. The drop-down menu will show you both these classes. And I meant to put down on the graphic there that if you did purchase both of these classes, you would only have to pay 1 shipping because I would put both classes together. All right, that is all. Okay, bye-bye.